Hey guys, Animal Company's mining update is very soon, and we got a official release date for it, and I've got one more leak to show you, and I'm going to be showing you how to prepare for the update. Also, claim your OG ticket before 2,000 subscribers. Enjoy the video. So, obviously, it's going to be a new mining update, and in some of the videos, the devs are shown using a pickaxe to mine ores, and there are going to be different ores. So one thing you're going to need is a pickaxe to use to go mining. So say this was an ore, you just hit it a few times, it doesn't matter which side it is, and then it'll break. And some ores I think give you company coins, which is OP. And then like nuts and bolts and stuff. And there's a purple ore which I don't know what it does. And the release date for this update is on January 28th, confirmed by a dev. And now I've got one more leak to show you, which you've probably already seen, but sit back and relax and enjoy.
This could be terrifying if, like, a spider or monster come out of the dark towards me. Coins! Wait, is that company coins?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
But it'll be for the, it'll be like replacing the quest.
So we're like, it's kind of like Minecraft, right? The different colors are like different materials, obviously.
Yeah.
Like, are they like worth more? Like the purple has higher value.
Yeah. So like, yeah, purple is like more likely to give you RP.
A chance of getting money, right?
Yeah. So like, the idea that like the big crystals that you see all around here, they're like really, really rare, and they're like very likely to give it to you. And then it's 5% chance, whatever. And then you're like capped.
Yep. Did you decide on whether or not we'll do like daily refreshes of the RP or weekly?
Probably what you said.
It's just like daily adding up to the cap. So if you're gone for 3 days, it'll save it all.
Purple. Shiny.
Do items spawn automatically? Yeah. Yeah, I feel like 5 minutes.
Yeah, so that is the brand new leak, and now I'm going to be going and giving away my pickaxe. Join a random. Hey guys, who wants this pickaxe? Who wants this pickaxe? Who wants this pickaxe?
Is everybody a modder?
Okay, here you go.
I'm giving one. I'm giving one person.
Also, because it's gonna be super rare, you're gonna want to grab any backpack and in the mining update, I think the snow will be going. So you're going to want to open the backpack and just store it with snowballs. Because soon they'll be really rare. And then they'll probably come back. But they'll be rare for now. But you got to be careful when pulling them out. Because, yeah, they can just get demolished like that. So just store a whole backpack. And that's a full backpack. Thank you for watching, and make sure to unlock the pickaxes so you can go mining. So goodbye. Thank you for watching.